John Dryden was a poet, critic, playwright, and translator. He was a dominating literary figure of the Restoration era. Thus, this age was also known as Age of Dryden. John Dryden was born in a village of Northamptonshire in 1631. He belonged to a prosperous family. He went to Westminster School and then to Cambridge. Due to his Puritan feelings, he joined Puritan party, but then Restoration made a change in him, and he went to London for his literary career. He wrote a poem to welcome King Charles too. Due to his literary works, he was made royal historiographer in 1670. He started writing poems and then plays. He became the best-known literary man of London. He became financially strong and stable. After his 50s, he turned from dramatic work to religious and political work. After revolution by William of Orange in 1688, he was deprived of his pensions. So he needed to be financially strong in his old age. Thus, he started writing courageously in those last years of life. He died in 1700 and was buried in Westminster Abbey. Moving towards his works, he was the man whose work fall into three categories, that are drama, poem, and prose. He was a great dramatist and also made his name in the field of poetry and prose. His work consists of satire, wit, and vigorous style. If you want to know more about John Dryden and his work, then you can watch our video on the Restoration period in the history of English literature.